Biocare.
Hey guys, my name is Steph. Thank you for tuning into my channel. So today we are going to demonstrate how I achieve a dreamy afro with big bouncy curls. I'm just starting off on stretched hair and just kind of parting it off. My bantu knots are going to be pretty big. We are going to go over this delightful Dream Curl Cream from Biocare Curls and Naturals line. As you all see, this is more of a creamy type of product. It's more for setting styles. It's not a jelly at all or anything. It's a cream. I really do love it. I would just suggest that if you want more definition with this product, that you do it on wet hair. Whenever I do anything really with stretched hair, my frizz just really pops through. That's why I like to do it on wet hair. But I do like stretched out styles because my hair can be pretty massive on first day. But as you all see, I did just put about a quarter size amount on this section. This section is pretty big, but again, I wanted my curls to be kind of big, lots of volume, and really not too defined. So I did come out with the style that I wanted, just kind of tamed but not tamed, if you know what I mean. So as you all see, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just putting a little bit on my ends and then work my way up to the top. I do use my Denman brush to make sure I'm spreading the product on pretty evenly. So this product has shea butter, natural honey, and argan oil. It is free of sulfates, parabens, dyes, DEA, and TEA. It enhances, defines, and lengthens curls, it states on the website. Now, as far as the definition, again, guys, I would just suggest doing it on wet hair if you want it, pretty defined. On stretched hair, I wouldn't really recommend the product too much unless you're wanting a style like me, which is, just big, proud, and loud. Not too much definition, but, you see the curls, you see them. So I did really like this product. This Dream Curl Cream is available at City Dia. It is available at ShopRite, Game, and Malcolm Plus or Malcolm. These are all stores in Ghana. It may be in other African countries too, but I know for sure it's in Accra, Ghana. If you're in the States or anywhere else, I know that it's available on the website. If you all just check my description box, you'll see it. But yes, guys, this is the next day. As you all see, I did also incorporate the little pins just kind of hold my hair down, make sure it doesn't unravel while I was sleeping. But as you all see, I really wasn't too careful with taking it down because, again, I just kind of wanted to be a frizzy big fro with, curls popping out every now and then. Not too many curls, but, just light work, So I really did love this style. I'm just, taking it down and, accepting my frizz. I've grown to just accept my frizz and love it. It is what it is, Just like I said, and I don't know, I think I said in another video, but shape is everything. So if you shape your hair pretty good, even if it's a TWA, if you shape your hair pretty good, any style will turn out perfect. Just fluff and go. But as you all see, it's very shiny, very, very soft, guys. I really do love this product. It didn't, revert my hair back or anything too bad as far as with this being on a stretch style or stretched hair. So that was a plus. So guys, if you're looking for a style like this, more so big, soft curls, and just big and voluptuous, I would definitely say take a gander at this product. It's really, really good. And it leaves your hair uberly shiny. So I'm going to let you all enjoy the rest of this video, but be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification button to be notified. I'm going to try to start getting more videos out there, guys, for you. And if you have suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And I will talk to you guys soon.
Exclusive from MySonBig.com.